The fact that the current situation in Bayelsa State is underreported is really, really very alarming, because we know very well that if this were to be happening in states like Lagos and Abuja, where we have those top vloggers, it should have been reportedly high. But now this is Bayelsa. No one is even saying anything about it. Our governor is not even helpful. I don't want to even start talking about this. Is popular Igbo axis, where series of dead bodies, children have drowned inside this water, and yeah, this is what's it called, Azikoro. There's a cemetery at this area now. The dead bodies are now floating out from that particular Azikoro axis. Now this is the east-west road where this is normal road where you travel to Port Harcourt, but currently you cannot even travel normally. See how people are walking inside the water. Jesus Christ, see how people are walking inside the water. Okay, for you to even manage to go through the trailer, you have to jump up like that. China me won't go jump up trailer like this side, they go travel near Abina waiting. What is our governor? Okay, this is the main spot where you have to hold on to one very tiny rope at that east-west road. Now this trailer is stuck there because this trailer cannot pass, and that's why we are having scarcity of fuel and food increase in price, because now fuel tankers cannot come in, food cannot come in. See how people are suffering. This is sparrow giraffes, people walking. This is the particular rope I'm talking about. This is it. This rope is survival of the fittest at that east-west road. This particular rope, we are suffering in Bayelsa State. We are suffering. These are the ones that maybe they are trying to okay, let me go back to my state. I don't stay here in Bayelsa. It's only God that will just help everybody that is traveling at this period, because I do not see any reason why one would leave his or her own comfort zone to travel at this particular dangerous time. Now look at people's roof now sharing same length with water. You can imagine if a roof is sharing same length with water. We're actually suffering here in Bayelsa State. Governor should come to our aid. Now the road we walk on, snakes now walk on the same road with us. Almost see things are happening in this Bayelsa State. Look at people's houses. Children are falling sick every day. How do you even convey the children to the hospital where you don't even have money to feed? Is it now that you want to? Is it children that you now want to now help out in is it children that you now want to now buy drugs for? Everything is just not going well in Bayelsa State, and yet our governor will now come out and tell us that he wants to plead to all vendors to reduce how they sell things and fail people. Are you supposed to plead, or you're supposed to command them? Mr. Governor, are you supposed to plead, or you're supposed to command them? No fuel in the state. See how people are lining up to get fuel. Wike will command. Wike will not speak. He will command. His voice alone is commanding, and everybody will adhere to it, because tax force will be going around. This one we are just doing. I don't even know what's happening in the state. People are drinking bad water. People are falling sick every day. They don't even have good water to drink. Malaria drugs. We need malaria, because all of them will be falling sick, because no. See, currently everybody is mentally and physically down in Bayelsa State. Governor, what